Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was accused of robbery and has a pretty serious prior. Criminal attorney, Palo Alto. Robbery attorney, Palo Alto. Arrested for robbery, Palo Alto. Let's see here. 25 years ago, my son had a case for theft of a motor and for assault. Last month, he was arrested for robbery in a store where he took $1,200 using a gun. Okay, well, first of all, let's talk about the current situation. Robbery in a store using a gun. That's a violation of Penal Code Section 212.5, which carries up to 6 years in state prison. Plus the use of the gun, there's going to be a gun enhancement under 12022, I think, B, which carries an additional 3-year state prison. So he's looking at potential 9 years just based on the robbery of today. Now, the question is this. Let's talk about the 25-year-old case where he got accused of theft of a motor and for assault. Well, I need to know what kind of punishment he got for that case 25 years ago. Usually a case that's 25 years old isn't a prior, and it shouldn't affect you. Usually cases are only priable for 10 years. But if it's a prison prior, if you went to prison for this case, or if he has a strike prior, this could affect him drastically. Strikes don't go away. There are certain motions, like Romero motions, that can be made to strike a strike if you can show rehabilitation, or if you could show that the new case is unrelated. However, we're talking about theft of a motor and then assault, and then now we're talking about robbery with a gun. I mean, those are pretty related cases, and maybe because of the age of the old case, a Romero motion could be placed in order to strike that strike, but some judges will be like, no, that's just too related. You were never rehabilitated. He committed a similar offense again. But I really need to know whether or not you got a strike for that other case 25 years ago, and did you go to prison? Because that's going to have a huge effect on your current case, because your current case is already serious enough as it is, robbery with a gun. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us now at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal attorney, Palo Alto. Robbery attorney, Palo Alto. Arrested for robbery, Palo Alto.